Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we're going to be making a very simple game in Python. So today we're going to be making a simple text-based adventure game in Python. So let's start this video. But first of all, let's also start the code. So first of all, we're going to make this so that you can exit whenever you want. So first of all, let's use while, then true. Now we're going to be making an input function so that the user can actually type out things. So let's just make it oh yeah, user is equal to input uh welcome, 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 and then you are stuck in a cave with a monster. So that is the input function. So we'll use this for the input function. So this will basically print the things, but the user can actually see what he or she is typing. Hmm. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? So now as I said, this is going to be a text-based adventure game. So of course there's going to be uh, like options. So now for sure we'll make it pretty easy. We'll run or escape. Run or escape. Now this is the whole sentence. Wait, since the user can actually like exit whenever he or she wants to, we can add type q to exit. That's the oh yeah. Let me just make a few changes. Now it's done. Now x. Okay, now we're going to now we're going to be now we're going to be actually making the code for the actual game. So first of all we are going to make the if or and else conditions, or the things. So first of all, we are going to say print oh yeah, if 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 user is equal to hmm, 1, then what you're gonna do, it's gonna print something. So it's so easy to actually do that. We're gonna be typing print, and then the oh yeah, and then the thing. So you can type out whatever you want, whether you won or whether you lost. But since the player ran away, the footsteps are going to be so loud. So of course the monster is going to like yeah, you know what I mean. So first of all, let me just you tried to run away, but the monster heard heard you, and well, it's a game over. So here's the now here's the print, but here's the print text. But if you want to change it to U1 or whatever, you can do that. There's no problem. Uh, okay, though. So now we have added one if condition. Now we're gonna be adding another. So now since this is the second if, we're gonna be typing elif. So elif user. Oh yeah. What? Elif user is equal to uh what is it? Escape. Well, oh yeah. Well, since escape is in small letters, let me just change that. And now, let's just see now. Okay, now. And now we're gonna be printing, print you, you escape, you escape. Oh, and then, well, done, done, well done. You get, get a trophy. Now, I don't know why I wrote trophy. Yeah, you can add use case from the monster, and well done. You, let me just change this. You, you got a trophy. So now we're gonna be adding the part where we can actually exit. So we're gonna be adding another elif condition. Maybe it's basically if. Let me just align this code real quick. And then, oh no, why did I delete the whole code? I mean, not the whole. Elif, elif user is equal to q. Now, I'm just gonna, now, here's the thing. If you actually want to if you want to add like more things, like more possibilities, like someone says q, or someone wants to say exit, buy, and whatever you want they want to say, you can also add that. You can add as many as you want. You just need to use the or thing or function. Let me show you how. Q or user is equal to yeah, buy. Then we're going to be printing something. It does not really matter if you want to, but just to be a little bit better, just to make the game a little bit better with the more. No, it's not technically not considered as a feature. Well, let's just print good. Well, it'll print good. Goodbye. No, goodbye. Goodbye. Then it will break. Now, what does break actually mean? So break literally means that this thing is the while true is starting the loop. But when someone says something like specific, like Q for quit, or buy for, yeah, the same thing, it will break the thing. But first of all, but what if someone like says a thing that the elif and if conditions don't have, like it's not specific or whatever, it's completely wrong. So we will use the else function. Else, then we will use the print function, and they say invalid command, invalid command, or whatever you want to add. That's basically it. You've done it, only 11 lines. So let me just test it. Just wait a minute. Okay, now as you can see, it runs successfully. Let me just type something. like escape. You escaped from the monster. Well done. You got a trophy. Okay. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and goodbye. Have a nice day, and I hope you subscribe. Well, yeah, please subscribe. Bye.